Copper is traditionally one of those metals that highlights the health or otherwise of the global economy. And if we look at what's happening at the moment, we've got China, which is at the moment beginning to turn around. There are expectations that once it gets over this hump of COVID, which is causing a lot of problems, it has to be said, certainly at a personal level, but also for the hospitals and the health system overall in China, and also for the Communist Party because it's had to change its tack. Once we get over that, people are beginning to think that China is going to come back online, and it will come back ferociously as demand starts to pick up. Now, if you take a look at the copper chart, to me, this is telling the story. I think that people are beginning to see that China is a sleeping lion in as much as we're just waiting for it to wake up to start to roar again. Now, in the last couple of days, we've risen above this wavy red line here, which is the 200 period moving average. We've got an entire candle above that. We've got an entire candle above this prior line of resistance at 85.90, which is now support. And if you're long on this, that is a critical line because that is the line under which you would put your stop loss. So your stop loss around about just below the 8,500 level. We've got this market moving up. Now, there's another thing here down the bottom. This oscillator here is, to me, giving another indicator that people are becoming far more aware of the potential upside for copper. We've now got a momentum which is beginning to pick up. Now, last time it did this was here, and we just saw a little bit of an uplift. Now, that was there up to this line of resistance, and then it failed at that. But it's had another tilt at that, and it's succeeded in getting past. Now, the next line to watch out for is this area up here, which was back in May last year. Now, that is very close to 10,000 level, which is significant in as much as it's a big round number. You can see in the last couple of years or so, we have traded above that, but not too far above. And that is going to be a line to watch out for, I think, in the future. So if you are long on this, stop goes down to around about the 8,500 level. We're currently trading 87.69. I'm going to be watching out for more fundamental news headlines to suggest that more and more people are waiting to buy copper. A lot of banks at the back end of last year suggesting that copper is going to go into deficit. That is, that there just will not be enough copper produced. And if that comes about, then demand does lift off to be well in excess of supply. That is when the price is really going to go upside. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.